import turtle, next FORW4 equals to 1, next T equals to turtle dot turtle dot turtle. Next, turtled big color is black. You have any color I can turtle dot bg color. Okay, it is nice, is black. You can change the color black. Okay, so next T speed T dot speed. Okay, this is 0. Next while true, T dot forward T dot color. Okay, it should be yellow. Okay, color should be, we can change our color. Next T dot left 120 plus 23 T dot left 1. Okay, also it is turn angle float, the turn title left by angle units. Okay, so argument angle a number, turn turtle left by angle units, default degrees, but can be set via the degrees and radians, and angle orientation depends on mode. Okay, everything is meaning is clear in here already. They next furrow equals to plus equals to 1, and T forward T dot forward furrow green 350 turtle dot done.